Good afternoon, guys. Brian with VetteSource here, checking in on Sunday afternoon. Getting back to you today with a few of our parts stock that we have available for sale. Specifically, some of my my new old stock parts that I have. We're kind of shifting gears. I'm not dealing with a Corvette part again today. I've got some Mopar parts, specifically Dodge Vipers. In the realm of things, as you know, if you've stayed with me on the channel for a while, I am a Corvette guy, tried and true, dyed in the wool blue, but I do like some of the other sports cars and Mopars, specifically the older Mopars and some of the Dodge Vipers have always been kind of cool. So I've had these in inventory for a while. These are the second of the third steering wheels, new old stock steering wheels I have for the Gen 2 Vipers. This one here specifically is going to be part number 0 PB411XK, built in January of 02. This one here I think is this is our beige steering wheel for the Dodge Vipers. So this one here, as you can see, it's in its original plastic wrap. Let me move this back a little bit. Now by this generation of most cars with airbags, the steering wheels were made out of a lighter type material. This is essentially a magnesium hub right here with a plastic backing, and then of course your leather wrapped steering wheel. And you can see this is brand new, perfect condition. Never really been out of the box. I keep these in climate controlled storage. I don't leave these in the warehouse because these are just nice parts and very unusual to come by. And of course, steering wheels are usually the one thing that gets a whole lot of wear and tear on them becomes quite evident when you get in and out of the car, just from the natural oils in your hands and everything else. So this is again for Dodge Viper Gen 2s. I believe Gen 2 runs 97 to 02 or 98 to 02. Some of the Dodge Viper guys can maybe school me a little bit on that. But this is perfect, ready to go. I do have it available for sale. If you've got an interest, you can always give me a call at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian, of course. You can reach me through the comments section below. Whatever way works best for you guys. I can ship it international. I can ship it to Timbuktu, as a matter of fact. And of course, Dodge Vipers are made in very limited numbers. So I'm sure there's a very smaller pool of cars out there that need this part. So that'll do it for this round. Tomorrow, I'll bring back to you one last Dodge Viper steering wheel that I have. This one's going to be black with red stitching, and I'll detail that one for you guys tomorrow. So thanks again for sticking around to the end, and I'll catch up with you guys next time. Thanks.